Hello everyone, welcome to a course on getting started with Photoshop. I am really excited that you have selected an option to learn Photoshop. Let's see what we are going to learn in this course. So in this course is absolute for absolute beginners. Okay, we do not assume that you have any background in Photoshop, and this is a perfect place. So first thing we are going to learn is what is Photoshop. Where all it is used, what are the typical use cases that Photoshop is often used, and why it is so popular. Second thing is we will also learn about history of Photoshop, how the product was developed, who developed it, and over the course of the years how it has evolved. Then we'll talk about actual installation of Photoshop, what does it take to install it and how to install it on a machine, and I will walk you through step by step. Then I will also explain you something called CCDA, which stands for Creative Cloud Desktop Application. This is a must-have tool if you really want to use Photoshop and working with a lot of files and you are moving from one computer to another computer. This is a great piece to understand, CCDA. And then we will also go through actual couple of use cases where I'll walk you through a select and mask use case, which you can use to superimpose two photos on each other. And we will also consider another use case where we will actually develop the cinemagraphy using a video and image, and then you can absolutely post that on Instagram and any one of your social network and boasting your skills in Photoshop. So that's the agenda. Okay. So have a nice cup of coffee, get ready for it, and I will walk you through each of these steps step by step. All right. See you there.